Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. Welcome to this demonstration. We will explore the use of cross-site scripting vulnerability to perform session hijacking. Let's begin by opening Kali Linux system. Open the Firefox browser. Once the browser is open a new tab. Now, in the address bar, type testphp.vulnweb.com. Press Enter. This is a free test website we use for practicing vulnerability exploitation in a safe environment. Once the site loads, navigate to the Sign Up option on left. Enter the username and password, then click on Login. When a pop-up appears to save passwords, choose the option Not Now. At this point, you should see the details like name, credit card number, email, phone number, and address once you're logged in. In this case, we can see that we have implemented another kind of payload, but we will insert a JavaScript payload. This payload will execute within the browser and allow us to extract session-related data. So type, open a script tag, alert, within parentheses type document.cookie, close the script tag. You can type this manually or copy and paste it into the input field on the target site. The document.cookie function is crucial. It's often used to access cookie data, which can be hijacked during an attack. Now click on the Update button on the website. You should see a field displaying something like login equals test %2ftest. In one of our previous videos, we have demonstrated how to hijack a session using a cookie editor browser extension, where we used it to extract and modify session cookies. If you haven't had the chance to view that video, please rest assured, we'll revisit that method here. Open your Firefox browser once more, click on the extensions, and in the search bar, type Cookie Editor. Press Enter. Now, navigate to the second link, Cookie-Editor, in the search results, which should lead to the Cookie Editor extension page. Then, click on Add to Firefox. Then, click on Add in the pop-up box on the right. When prompted, check the box to allow the extension to run in private windows and click OK in the pop-up. Once added, click the Cookie Editor icon in your browser extensions. Then click on Login. You will see a drop-down displaying your current cookies. Here, the cookie named Login has a value of test %2ftest. Now click on Update option. In the pop-up, you can see the value. Login is equal to test %2ftest. You can now edit this cookie's value. By changing it to match a valid session, you can effectively access an authenticated session, demonstrating a session hijack. Remember, there are multiple techniques for session hijacking. This demo highlights how cross-site scripting can be used to achieve that. The essential part is identifying a vulnerable input field or parameter, one where your script can be successfully executed. To test that, we need to use the payload discussed earlier. Open a script tag, alert, within parentheses type document.cookie, close the script tag. As discussed earlier, the document.cookie function is key. It retrieves session cookie information directly from the browser. And that's how you can demonstrate session hijacking using an XSS vulnerability.